Welcome to my channel. How to factory reset Netgear router. 1. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on your Netgear router. It's usually on the back or bottom of the device and may be labeled reset. 2. Use a paper clip or pin. Grab a paper clip or a pin that can fit into the reset button hole. 3. Ensure the router is powered on. Make sure your router is plugged in and powered on. The power LED should be lit before you proceed. 4. Press and hold the reset button. Insert the paper clip or pin into the reset button hole and press it. Hold the button down for 10 to 15 seconds. 5. Wait for the router to restart. Release the button after 10 to 15 seconds. The router will automatically power cycle, indicated by the LEDs turning off and on again. Six. Observe the LED indicators. Wait for the power and other LED indicators to stabilize. This indicates that the reset is complete and the router is rebooting. 7. Reconnect to the network. The router will now be set to factory defaults, which means it will broadcast its default Wi-Fi network. Check the label on the router for the default network name, SSID, and password. 8. Connect a device to the router. Use a computer, smartphone, or tablet to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network. 9. Log into the admin panel. Open a web browser and go to http://192.168.1.1 or http://routerlogin.net. Log in using the default username and password, which are usually admin and password. 10. Reconfigure the router. After logging in, you can set up the router from scratch, including setting a new SSID, password, and any custom configurations you had before the reset. Thank you for watching.